Hi, everyone. So we're going to call this Dr. Sears Answers Your Questions. And I'm going to answer the questions that people had based on the assignment review that you did last week. So going to go ahead, share my screen. And we go here. All right. So Dr. Sears answers your questions. Not everyone had questions, so I'm going to go over the ones that came up. But for the key assessment, question was, are we going to be completing this with a partner or in a group? So you will be completing this with a group. I'll be posting the link probably later this week. I just have to figure out exactly how many case studies I have to determine the number of groups, but I'll have that done by Thursday for you. And I anticipate there being 5 groups, and you will sign up for the group that you choose. You can sign up with the number of people that you like. For the co-planning lesson, there were a couple of questions. So question number 1 was, will this be individual first and then with a partner? So you are going into the simulator with someone else so that you have, kind of somebody to back up with. And also because I just can't organize that many hours for 75 students that I'm teaching, and then all of Dr. Barnett's students as well. So when you go into the simulator, you will be with one other person. When you go into Zoom, we call it the simulator, but when you go into Zoom, you will have one other person you are with. You each will have the opportunity to plan with the avatar. And will you combine your lessons? So you're both going to be planning a lesson with the avatar that is a lesson on the water cycle for when you do this. So I'll be posting more information about this, and I'll have a video ready for you later this week with exactly what you will do. You will have to be planning accommodations and modifications for the students in the class. So we'll give you a short bit of information on the 7 students in the class that have disabilities and what their disability is and what their needs are. I also really encourage you to spend some time with the person that you have signed up with and maybe do some role playing, with one of you being the coach, the special ed teacher, one of you being the gen ed teacher. The gen ed teacher will be the avatar. You will be the special ed teacher in your scenarios. For the case study project. So first, will more information be posted in D2L? Yes, absolutely. I hope to have that done also by the end of this week. I really wanted to have everything in order before I sent it out to all of you, so I didn't make any changes, but this is a new project for this class. So I plan to have information for you. I'm almost ready to release it to all of you. And will you be provided an example of what the notebook should look like? Yes, I will. I'll give you a template that you can use. It will be in Google, and it will be a Google notebook that you will do for this. So yes, I will be giving that to you. And that was all of the questions. I do want to make sure that you all know where this is in D2L. So if you go into D2L, go to your course home. This is obviously your class page because it's C1. If you go over here to where it says assignment information and go to content, you will notice that you have information on all of the big assignments right here. So you have your infographics, for those of you who had questions about that, your IRIS module. This is the first one, the intensive intervention one. Here's your worksheet that you will do, as well as the module itself. The group project, here's the assignment, here's your group sign up for that. So you'll be able to do that. Co-planning lesson information will be coming probably tomorrow for this. Case study, same thing. And then your key assessment, here's your just a Word document that has everything. The rubric, and then part 1, part 2, part 3, you have everything there. The Bitmoji classroom, here is your sign up, and here is where you will turn it in. I will also have a video there for you later this week. I hope this was helpful. If you have more questions about what you need to do for any of your assignments, please, please, please sign up, come in and talk to me. And I look forward to seeing you all soon. Have a great day. Bye.